Learn English should in Gujarati.
જોઈએ.
And daily advice phrases. Welcome to Should Land. Hey, glad you are here. Today you will learn how English advice phrases with should sound in Gujarati, and yes, even a dramatic cat may help. Our star word is
જોઈએ.
which means should. Think of it as the polite little flashlight that says, maybe do the smart thing. If you are tired, you should rest.
તમે હવે આરામ કરવો જોઈએ.
If a friend says, we should leave early, that becomes.
અમે વહેલા નીકળવું જોઈએ.
And if a cat wearing glasses judges your life choices, it will probably meow.
જોઈએ.
The core word. Let's lock in the base word first. Once you know this one, the other phrases become much easier. English. Should. Gujarati.
જોઈએ.
He should study more.
તેને વધુ અભ્યાસ કરવો જોઈએ.
You should rest now.
તમારે હવે આરામ કરવો જોઈએ.
We should be careful.
આપણે સાવચેત રહેવું જોઈએ.
Memory trick.
જોઈએ.
Sounds soft, like advice, not a military command shouted by an angry potato. I should, the responsible version of me. Now you talk about yourself. This is the phrase for those moments when you suddenly become wise for 5 seconds. I should.
મારે જોઈએ.
I should go now.
મારે હવે જવું જોઈએ.
I should study more.
મારે વધુ અભ્યાસ કરવો જોઈએ.
I should call my friend.
મારે મારા મિત્રને ફોન કરવો જોઈએ.
Mini joke. Every morning I say.
મારે જોઈએ.
And every evening my sofa says, no, you should nap. You should, friendly advice mode. Now let's give advice. Kindly, of course. We are learning language, not becoming tiny bossy dictators. Informal you should.
તારે જોઈએ.
Polite or general you should.
તમારે જોઈએ.
You should rest today.
તારે આજે આરામ કરવો જોઈએ.
You should be careful.
તારે સાવધાન રહેવું જોઈએ.
You should listen carefully.
તમારે ધ્યાનથી સાંભળવું જોઈએ.
You should arrive early.
તમારે વહેલા આવવું જોઈએ.
If your friend forgets an umbrella, you can dramatically whisper.
તારે જોઈએ.
Like you are in a weather thriller. He, she, and it should. Time to point at other people and objects, but in a grammatically useful way. She should.
તેણીએ જોઈએ.
She should study more.
તેણીએ વધુ અભ્યાસ કરવો જોઈએ.
She should call before coming.
આવતા પહેલા તેણીએ ફોન કરવો જોઈએ.
It should.
તે જોઈએ.
It should work now.
તે હવે કામ કરવું જોઈએ.
It should be easy.
તે સરળ હોવું જોઈએ.
When your machine finally starts and you say.
તે જોઈએ.
You sound calm, confident, and only slightly surprised. We should and they should. Language becomes fun when everyone gets involved. Now let's make responsible group decisions, or at least pretend to. We should.
આપણે જોઈએ.
We should go now.
આપણે હવે જવું જોઈએ.
We should help them.
આપણે તેમની મદદ કરવી જોઈએ.
They should.
તેઓએ જોઈએ.
They should arrive early.
તેઓએ વહેલા આવવું જોઈએ.
They should be careful.
તેઓએ સાવચેત રહેવું જોઈએ.
A superhero team might say.
આપણે જોઈએ.
While a tired coach says.
તેઓએ જોઈએ.
Same wisdom, different drama. Mini dialogue at maximum advice. Let's hear the words in a little scene. Picture a chaotic morning with one sleepy human, one wise friend, and one deeply judgmental cat. Friend A, I am tired. Friend B, you should rest.
તારે જોઈએ.
Rest. Friend A. I should call my friend first.
મારે જોઈએ.
Friend B. We should leave early too.
આપણે જોઈએ.
Cat. They should feed me immediately.
તેઓએ જોઈએ.
Broken coffee machine. It should work now.
તે જોઈએ.
Neighbor. She should call before coming.
તેણીએ જોઈએ.
And just like that, everyone became grammatically responsible. Quick quiz. Your turn. Answer in your head, or out loud if no one is around to be impressed. How do you say, should?
જોઈએ.
How do you say, I should?
મારે જોઈએ.
How do you say informal, you should?
તારે જોઈએ.
How do you say polite, you should?
તમારે જોઈએ.
How do you say, she should?
તેણીએ જોઈએ.
How do you say, it should?
તે જોઈએ.
How do you say, we should?
આપણે જોઈએ.
How do you say, they should?
તેઓએ જોઈએ.
Friendly conclusion. Nice work. You just learned a whole family of useful Gujarati advice phrases. Today you practiced.
જોઈએ. મારે જોઈએ. તારે જોઈએ. તમારે જોઈએ. તેણીએ જોઈએ. તે જોઈએ. આપણે જોઈએ.
And.
તેઓએ જોઈએ.
Thank you for listening. Keep practicing out loud, repeat the phrases tomorrow, and let your inner wise Gujarati speaking cat remind you what you should do.